How to remove boosters in Candy Crush Saga. Ever accidentally select a booster and want to undo it? Let's fix that before you start crossing. Let's check for pre-game boosters. When you tap on a level, the game shows booster icon. If you tap the booster by mistake, it will highlight or glow. It means it's activated. To remove it, simply tap it again. It will unselect and stop glowing. And boom, it's no longer activate for that level. During gameplay, in-game boosters, once you are inside the level, you can't remove boosters. After it being used, so tap it if you are sure. If you tap it by accidentally but haven't used it, to remove it, simply tap it again. It will unselect and stop glowing. It won't be consumed unless activated. Boosters are only used when you play level or actively trigger them. If you exit the level before making a move, your boosters stay safe. And that's it. Now you know how to remove or cancel booster in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more sweet tips. See you in the next one.